Herself looking for him. Worried sick. BF? BF? Looking for a blue dwarf child. Follow me into the forest. I saw him in there.
Come, little girlfriend, come with me. Boyfriend is waiting steadily.
Hold on. Oh, I forgot to do my intro. But hey guys, it's me, Tasty Meat Bomb Soda. So today we will be doing this Friday Funkin' versus Hypno's lullaby. So let's continue.
Good night, now let us run. With Hypno, you have so much fun. Oh, little girlfriend, please don't cry. Hypno wouldn't care to fly. Clearly doesn't get deep in the forest BF Island. Oh, little girlfriend, please don't squirm. The vows I know will hold you firm. No tells you this is true, but sadly Hypno lied to you. Girlfriend, you shall not leave. Your father for you will never grieve. Might not have disease, allowing me to haunt their dreams. Surely now you must know that it's time for you to go. Oh, little girlfriend, you weren't clever. Resisting me only makes me.
Speed. Okay, let's look at him. Hey, he looks like a fly. He looks like a fly. What the frick? Anyway. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. A is this, B is this, C is this, D is this, E is this, F is this, G is that, H is that, I is that, J is that, K is that, L is that, M is that, N is that, O is that, P is that, Q is that, R is that, S is that, T is that, U is that, V is that, W is that, X is that, and Y is that, and Z is that, and exclamation point is that, and question mark is that. Oh no, what happened? Wait, that Hold on. All right, y'all, let's figure this out. A, B, A, N, if y'all can figure that out, please put it in the comments. Let me restart this real quick. Where'd he go? So that will be it, guys. Goodbye. Wait, there's a version 2, but that's an hour long. So we might have to do a part 2 for that one, for the Hypno Lullaby full week. So, well, goodbye, guys, and I'll see you next time.